Hello teacher, today I am practicing my pronunciation by shadowing. Article 3. The birthday gift. It is going to be my father's birthday. What can I give him? I don't have much money. I have looked all through the store and have not found anything that I think he would like or that I can afford. I have thought very hard about what to buy for him. I thought that he might like some candy, but my father really doesn't eat many sweets. I thought that he might like a new shirt, but he has lots of clothes. I can't afford a new car or computer for him. I was watching him on the weekend. He cut the grass, washed the car, took out the garbage, weeded the garden, and watered the plants. I got an idea. I went to my room and took out some paper. I cut out pieces of paper and throw on them. I throw on one piece of paper that I would wash the car every weekend for the summer. I throw on another piece that I would take out the garbage every week for the summer. I also throw that I would cut the grass, weed the garden, and water the plants every week for the summer. I made a birthday card for my dad and put the piece of paper inside it. I went downstairs and gave my gift to my dad. My dad thought that the gift was very thoughtful. He said that it was a gift from the heart. I did all those things for my dad all summer. He said that he had a lot of free time because I helped him so much. My dad and I are good friends. I don't mind doing things for him because I know that he is always there to help me out. A good gift doesn't have to be something that costs a lot. My dad says that the best gifts are the ones that show how much you care for the other person. I'm glad my dad liked his gift. Thank you for listening. See you later.